The Buzz Drone is the latest affordably priced 20-inch wheel fat tire electric bike to bring moped-style vibes to your e-bike rides. Today, we're going to jump in with a sponsored look at the Buzz Drone electric bicycle. If you don't know already, Buzz is a direct-to-consumer electric bicycle brand, meaning you're getting the best prices without the typical bike store markup. For example, the drone here might look like a higher dollar ride, but is priced at just $1,399. The company's bikes are designed in Dayton, Ohio by a passionate team of enthusiasts, and just by looking at the bike, you can tell passion is a big part of the Buzz Drone. This is a moped-style electric bicycle, meaning it gives you a more solid stance and offers that elongated bench-style seat that makes it easy to stretch out and find the right position for each rider. The frame invokes motorcycle inspiration right down to that caged headlight, but the bicycle design and the 500-watt hub motor keeps it classified as an electric bicycle. As a Class 2 electric bike, the Buzz Drone can reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour either on a pedal assist or with the included thumb throttle. For those who want to get in some honest exercise, 5 different levels of pedal assist will let riders dial in the right amount of effort, and the clearly visible screen makes it easy to know which level you're in, even with a quick glance. The bike also includes 6 gear ratios from a Shimano transmission, which is great for selecting the right pedal cadence on everything from steep hill climbs to fast cruising on flat ground. When it comes time for an effortless ride, such as at the end of a long day, a push of the throttle lets riders take off in style, no pedaling needed. Regardless of the ride mode, riders will be able to come to a quick stop thanks to the disc brakes, which provide powerful and reliable braking. Mounting and dismounting the bike is also made easy thanks to the low-swept frame. No more swinging a leg up high when you can step through and hop on in one easy motion. An added feature that you won't find on most bikes is a zippered under-seat storage compartment, which is perfect for carrying loose items like your keys, wallet, phone, or water bottles. You've got your own storage compartment that comes along for the ride. And speaking of water, you'll want to bring some along since the 48-volt and 500 watt-hour battery claims a range of up to 40 miles per charge. That's plenty of riding all over the city or local trails, and when you've eventually discharged the battery, it can be quickly recharged in 4 to 6 hours. The battery is also removable, allowing you to charge it either on or off the bike. You can also take it with you on the go so you don't leave it on the bike. The bike features 20-inch fat tires with a knobby tread, meaning riders will be just at home cruising along the asphalt as they will be heading off-road. There's also a suspension fork that will help with those off-road bumps, and included fenders to ensure those dirty off-road rides don't sling mud where it doesn't belong. The Buzz Drone is tested and certified to the UL 2849 standard, which covers the entire system, including the motor, battery, controller, and charger, offering the highest standards of safety for that added peace of mind. When it comes to longevity, riders will be glad to know the bike comes with a 10-year limited warranty, including 2 years on the electrical components and 10 years on the aluminum frame. At just $1,399, there's a lot of value behind this e-bike. But you can enjoy a special discount by using the coupon code listed below, making this an even sweeter deal. Considering that these motorcycle-style electric bikes have surged in popularity in recent years, this is a low-cost way to get in on the trend with an attractive and fun-filled model. Combining nostalgic charm and modern convenience, motorcycle-inspired e-bikes offer the thrill of traditional motorcycles with the eco-benefits of efficient electric bicycles. The ability to zip around the streets or trails in style on a smooth, quiet ride makes these types of electric bikes an appealing choice for a wide range of riders. And with that powerful motor, long-range battery, and classic style, the Buzz Drone is the ultimate embodiment of the moto-style electric bike. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you here next time.